Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to prepare the very traditional Javvarisi Semiya Payasam, the healthy way with jaggery instead of white sugar. This sweet and creamy payasam is a must for any festive meals. I've taken quarter cup Javvarisi. Wash well in running water for 4 to 5 times to remove all excess starch from Javvarisi. Then soak in water for a minimum of 1 hour. Next, take 2 cups full cream milk. Add them to a milk pot. Let it boil. Then simmer for 5 minutes to make it more creamy. Filter out and let it cool. Next, I've taken few cashew nuts, few raisins, quarter cup semiya, and 2 tablespoon ghee. In a hot pan, add ghee. Fry cashews and raisins. Take them out. In the same pan, add more ghee if required and roast semiya in medium flame for few minutes without changing color. After 1 hour, the Javvarisi is soaked well. It will have a powdery texture when pressed with fingers. In a pressure cooker, add 1.5 cups of water. Let the water boil, then add soaked Javvarisi and roasted semiya. Let it boil again. Then pressure cook for 3 whistles in high flame. This is the easiest way of cooking Javvarisi. Open after all pressure is released. Both the Javvarisi and semiya are well cooked. The Javvarisi will have a transparent texture with few white spots in middle, and that's fine, it will continue cooking later. Do not allow it to become fully transparent. Now take them out. To prepare the jaggery liquid, take half cup grated jaggery along with half cup water. Melt to get a thin jaggery liquid. Filter out to remove any impurities. Now all the prep works are done. In a hot pan, add cooked Javvarisi and semiya along with boiled milk. Add cardamom powder and half of roasted cashews and raisins. Mix well, allow to boil, then switch off flame and let it rest for 5 minutes. After resting for 5 minutes, add the jaggery liquid. Give it a good mix, it's not required to heat again. If you are using clean powdered jaggery, you can add powdered jaggery to cook Javvarisi, allow the mixture to cool and finally add milk, so you can do either way. The creamy sweet payasam is now ready. Serve it chilled, the payasam will thicken as it cools down. You can add more warm milk later if required to bring it to the right consistency. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.